How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video about MySQL. So as you guys all know, MySQL is like one of the most famous databases to use with PHP to get the best out of server-side coding. So yeah, it's going to be a MySQL tutorial where I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily make a MySQL database using PHPMyAdmin. So the first thing you're gonna need is XAMPP. So this is a installer. It has Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl. It has MySQL included inside of it too. It's a really fast installer. So there are a lot more out there like WAMP and MAMP. So I prefer using XAMPP. I'll leave the link in the description for the downloading website. So what you're going to do is just click download. You can get for Windows, Linux, or if you're using Mac, you can also get it for Mac. So I'm using Windows, so you can just simply click here and it's going to download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to go through it again. So after you have it downloaded, make sure you save it in a folder, name it whatever you want. I have it in this folder called XAMPP2. So when you open it up, you're gonna have all these random files in here. Now none of these are really that important except xampp-control.exe. Make sure you have that, and the other one is the one here called htdocs, this one here. So these are the two main important files. So after you have everything open, you can go ahead and close it all off, and these are the two files we're going to be working on. You're not really going to need these. If you open up htdocs, it will most probably empty, or you'll have some random files in it, but that's not the important part. The important part is the control.exe. It's normally going to open up after you finish installing. If it doesn't, you can double click on it and it's going to open up this here. Now here's the important part. After you open this up, you'll see Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. All of these are like servers. So what you're gonna need to do is turn on Apache server and the MySQL server. So you're gonna click on start for only two of these. You don't really need to start the others. Turn these on, or you won't be able to gain access to the database. So after these are on, you can quickly go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can go to the URL, and what you're going to do is just type in localhost, and you can just search localhost, and it'll bring you to this file here. As you can see, these are the folders I have in my htdocs file. So if you go ahead and search localhost, it's basically just going to open up the same files you have in your htdocs. As you can see here, the same file I have here, but this is not really needed. You'll need this for future lessons, but what you're gonna do is go localhost/php myadmin. So you're gonna search that up. As soon as you search that up, it's gonna bring you to this page over here. So this is the page where all the databases are there. As you can see, it's gonna say phpMyAdmin, and again, unless you have these servers on using XAMPP, you won't be able to gain access to this page. So as you can see on the left, we have all these databases here. Now today we're going to just focus on creating a database, not going through everything else. Now, there are actually two ways to create databases. You can just click here, new. But yeah, this is the main way to create a database. So you can just click on new, or you can just click on databases, and it's gonna say create database. You can just put your database name. So let's create a database called YouTube DB. So that's the name of our database. You click create, and it just created a new database for us. As you can see on the left, it says YouTube DB. So congrats, you just made your first database, and then later you can click on tables, and you can also use code if you know MySQL. But in the future, I'm going to make a video on how to make tables, insert data into the table, and go further into MySQL. So this is just the basic on creating database, setting everything up. I hope this video helped. If it did, leave a like below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.